Animal Riddles P1 Unit 6. A riddle, my you, is a text where you must guess the answer. Here is an animal riddle. What am I? I can jump and swim. I live in the ocean. I eat fish, but I am not a fish. I have a tail and flippers. I am grey and I am pink in Hong Kong. I am a dolphin. This is a riddle about an animal. Riddle time. Riddle 1. What am I? I have 4 legs. I have a short tail. I can swim. I eat fish. I am small and slow. I live on land, but I like water. I have a hard green shell. Riddle 2. What am I? I live in the forest. I have a black nose and 4 paws. I have a short tail. I eat animals. I am brown. I can stand up and run. Riddle 3. What am I? I live in grasslands. I have a long tail. I can run fast. I am brown and yellow. I eat trees. I have 4 long thin legs. I am tall with a long neck. Riddle 4. What am I? I live in forests and jungles. I have 2 short claws. I am fast. I eat nuts and insects. I have wings. I am colored like a rainbow. I can fly, talk, and sing. Riddle 5. What am I? I can swim. I live in the ocean. I am grey. I have fins. I eat fish and I am a fish. I have many sharp teeth. Riddle 6. What am I? I have 2 legs, 2 arms, and a long tail. I am small and brown. I can climb and swing. I live in forests and jungles. I eat bananas and fruit. Riddle 7. What am I? I have a long tail. I can run fast. I eat animals. I have 4 legs, sharp claws, and sharp teeth. I have striped fur. I am an orange and black cat. Riddle 8. What am I? I have a short tail. I live in rivers. I can swim and eat plants. I do not like crocodiles. My body is big and strong. I am purple and grey. I have a big mouth, little ears, and short legs. Riddle 9. What am I? I live in grasslands. I have 4 legs. I have a long tail. I eat grass. I have striped hair. I am black and white. I look like a horse. Riddle 10. What am I? I am big and long. I can swim. I live in rivers and lakes. I eat animals. I have big teeth. I have a long tail and thick skin. I have a long mouth. I am green. Riddle 11. What am I? I eat fish. I have 2 wings. I live in the snow and ice. I am black and white. I can swim and walk, but I cannot fly. I am a bird. Riddle 12. What am I? I am big and brown and yellow. I live in grasslands. I have 4 strong legs. I have a long tail. I eat animals. I have whiskers. I am a cat. Riddle 13. What am I? I am brown. I have small ears. I have 4 legs. I have a long tail. I eat plants. I like to walk on sand. I live in deserts. I have 2 humps. I am a Bactrian camel. Answers: Riddle 1, tortoise. Riddle 2, bear. Riddle 3, giraffe. Riddle 4, parrot. Riddle 5, shark. Riddle 6, monkey. Riddle 7, tiger. Riddle 8, hippo. Riddle 9, zebra. Riddle 10, crocodile. Riddle 11, penguin. Riddle 12, lion. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and watch more of the videos on this channel. Bye bye!